I'm Dr. Nerita, and in my 12 years as a urologist, I've seen countless men seek help for fading performance. And I can tell you, the one simple routine I'm about to show you using nothing more than castor oil has brought back confidence and reliable function in ways that surprise even my most skeptical patients. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly where that spot is, why it's a biological powerhouse for male vitality, and how you can start using it tonight to naturally strengthen your erections without pills, pumps, or complicated gadgets. By the end of this video, you will understand the profound connection between this simple oil, nerve sensitivity, blood flow, and hormonal balance. Please stay with me, because the details of where and how to apply it are absolutely crucial for real, sustainable results. Before we dive in, let's build this community. If you are ready to reclaim your vitality naturally, hit that like button right now and drop a quick comment telling me, where are you watching from? I love seeing the global reach of this health community. Before we talk about the solution, we have to talk honestly about the problem. When you're over 50, an erection is still one of the most complex, beautiful things your body does. It requires the perfect, seamless coordination between your brain, desire, your hormones, fuel, your nerves, signal, and your blood vessels, delivery. If even one of these elements becomes less efficient, the whole process feels slower, weaker, or less reliable. The 4 silent saboteurs. Vascular stiffening. The tiny blood vessels supplying your erectile tissue start to lose their natural flexibility. They become less able to snap open wide to allow that sudden, firm rush of blood. Nerve desensitization. The delicate network of nerve endings that carry pleasure signals from the skin to the brain can lose some of their sharpness. The same touch or stimulation that once sparked an instant response might now feel muted. Hormonal shift. Your testosterone levels, the fuel for desire, energy, and tissue health, begin their natural, gradual decline. Muscle weakness. The often ignored pelvic floor muscles, the deep hammock-like structures that act as a locking mechanism to keep blood trapped inside, can weaken, causing erections to fade too soon. When men notice this slow decline, they often feel a wave of despair, assuming it's an unavoidable sentence. I am here to tell you that is simply not true. Your body, even past 50, has an incredible capacity for recovery and repair, provided you give it the right, targeted care. Enter castor oil, the penetrating healer. This is where castor oil, a remedy used in traditional medicine for hundreds of years, becomes your surprisingly powerful ally. This isn't just a kitchen oil. Its unique composition, dominated by ricinoleic acid, gives it truly remarkable properties. Natural anti-inflammatory. It calms deep irritation and soothes tissues that may be tight or under stress. Circulation support. It acts as a vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax and open, allowing more oxygen-rich blood to flow. Lymphatic stimulator. It encourages the body's natural internal cleaning crew, the lymphatic system, to move more efficiently, clearing away toxins and waste products that clog up tissue vitality. The key is its deep, penetrating nature. When applied to the right location in the right way, it moves past the surface and gets right to the underlying nerves, muscles, and blood vessels. It helps your body remember how to perform at its best. Over my 12 years in urology, I've seen the power of combining traditional wisdom with modern anatomy. Castor oil applied to the right spot works because it's a system reset. It's not forcing an artificial reaction. It's creating the perfect internal environment for natural function to return. Emotionally. Many men who try this technique describe a profound feeling of a quiet switch turning back on. They notice a subtle warmth, a pleasant fullness, or a feeling of aliveness returning to the area. This shifts the emotional narrative from anxiety and avoidance to confidence and anticipation. It restores your sense of dignity, the knowledge that your own body is responsive and reliable. Practically, this is a calming end-of-day ritual. It takes minutes and fits into your bedtime routine. It's safe, drug-free, and accessible. You are nurturing your body as you unwind, setting the stage for better function overnight. Now, let's get to the hidden powerhouse location. The secret spot is not on the shaft itself, and it's not the testes. It is the perineum spot. This is that soft, slightly springy area of tissue located between the scrotum and the anus. Many men overlook it, but anatomically, this small patch of skin is one of the biggest crossroads for male sexual performance. Why is this simple spot so incredibly powerful for an erection? The biological explanation, the control hub. Beneath this skin layer lie three major players. The bulbospongiosus muscle. This is the most critical pelvic floor muscle that acts as a natural clamp to trap blood inside the penis and maintain firmness during an erection. Castor oil application encourages this muscle to soften and release long-held tension, allowing better blood flow and greater responsiveness when needed. The pudendal nerve branches. These are the primary nerve pathways that carry the crucial signals of arousal and sensation to and from the brain. The oil nourishes and stimulates these nerve pathways, reawakening them if they have become sluggish or underactive over the years. Key arteries. The arteries that supply fresh, oxygen-rich blood directly to the erectile tissue pass right through this region. Relaxing the tissues here allows the blood vessels to expand and deliver a healthier flow. When you apply castor oil here, you are driving its deep, penetrating, anti-inflammatory properties right into the core of your pelvic floor control system. This combination of muscle relaxation, improved blood supply, and nerve reactivation creates the perfect environment for stronger, more consistent, natural erections. The emotional effect, ease and release. Many men don't even realize how much tension they hold in their pelvic floor until they release it. This routine often leads to a greater sense of ease and relaxation in the entire region. This quiet softening of tension directly translates into a body that is less stressed, more receptive, and more capable of natural arousal. The practical application, targeted healing. This technique is particularly transformative for men who notice gradual decline, softer morning erections, or premature loss of hardness. By targeting this single spot, you are addressing multiple underlying issues at once, rather than just the surface symptom. The application method is just as important as the spot itself. Follow these steps precisely to get the maximum deep penetrating benefit. Step 1. Preparation. The right oil matters. Oil choice. You must use pure, cold-pressed, unrefined castor oil. This retains the maximum concentration of the healing ricinoleic acid. Avoid heavily processed or hexane-extracted varieties. Warming. Take about a teaspoon of the oil and gently warm it. You can do this by rubbing it slowly between your palms and fingers or placing the spoon in a small bowl of warm water for a few minutes. Not hot, just pleasantly warm. Cleanliness. Ensure the perineum area is clean and completely dry before application. Step 2. The deep massage, the coaxing. Position. Settle into a comfortable, relaxed position where you can easily reach the perineum. Application. Using slow, firm, yet gentle movements, begin massaging the oil deeply into that spot between the scrotum and the anus. Technique. Your goal is to press deeply enough to feel the underlying muscle, but never to the point of discomfort. Use small, steady circular motions or gentle strokes, covering the entire space. Time. Spend at least 2 to 3 minutes here. This is not about speed. It's about giving the tissue time to soften, relax, and receive the oil's nourishment. Focus on a slow inhale, slow exhale while you massage to maximize tension release. Step 3, the enhancement, the heat pack. Optional boost. For deeper penetration and enhanced circulation, finish by placing a warm compress, a folded towel, dipped in warm water and wrung out over the area for about 10-15 minutes. The timing. I highly recommend making this your calming end-of-day ritual just before bed. This allows the tissues to stay relaxed and continue absorbing the oil's benefits overnight without interruption. What to expect and when. Patience is key. This is a process of reconditioning your tissues, not a sudden artificial fix. Don't rush it. Timeline. While some men feel a gentle warmth or tingling in a few days, clear signs like stronger morning firmness or the ability to maintain hardness more reliably typically build over 2 to 4 weeks of consistent, daily application. To every man watching, I want to leave you with this powerful thought. Your body is far more resilient and adaptable than you have been led to believe. The gradual decline is not a failure. It's simply a signal that the system needs targeted support. By engaging in a simple, natural routine like this, you are not chasing youth. You are honoring your body's potential and supporting its natural mechanisms. This is about reclaiming your confidence, your freedom from worry, and the dignity of knowing that you can still experience intimacy that feels natural, spontaneous, and deeply fulfilling. Trust the process. Be kind to yourself. This simple bottle of castor oil represents more than just a home remedy. It represents intentional care and the belief in your own body's ability to restore and renew. You have the knowledge now. You know the spot, you know the science, and you know the process. Don't let this be just another video you watched. Make it the start of a new, empowering habit. You are capable of regaining strength and vitality. You just need the right gentle push. Your final steps are clear. Commit. Get a bottle of high-quality, cold-pressed castor oil today and try the 3-step perineum protocol for 30 consecutive nights. Share the hope. If this information was helpful and encouraging, subscribe now for more drug-free, science-backed male vitality strategies. Tell a friend. Share this video with a buddy who could benefit.